can see, when I got this car, it had no headlights in it. And I found on both Amazon and on Walmart.com, there was a place in India that was advertising headlights, headlight buckets, and trim rings as a complete package, 2 of them, for the princely sum of $200 plus I think it was about $30 shipping. I was mistaken in the video when I said there was about $30 shipping. When I ordered these off of Walmart, the shipping was free, and the only thing I paid was, I don't know, like $13 in sales tax. So I figured I'd take a flyer on that and see if it looked like it would work. I decided to go with the Walmart ones because the pictures and explanation they had on Walmart.com seemed a little bit more complete than the ones on Amazon. So let's open this up and see what it looks like and see if they actually fit the car. Uh-oh. It's messy styrofoam. Seems pretty well packed. Okay, so it's got a wiring harness pigtail on it. It's a complete bucket with the rubber gasket on it. And it's the type of headlight where there's actually a small bulb as far as a running light down inside the bulb. So that's pretty cool. What I don't know is if these are left-hand or right-hand drive headlights. I suppose I'll have to check that out somehow and see which they are. So, but let's see if they fit the car. Well, the adjusters fit through the 3 holes, and then there's 3 bolts that actually secure it to the car, and it looks like those are going to line up correctly with the existing holes in the headlight surround in the body. So let me try the other one just to make sure, but it looks like so far this might be a win. I don't think there's a left and a right, so I think they're the same either way. The other reason I didn't choose the Amazon one was when they listed the headlights, they said they were like 12 watts, 250 volts, but that's obviously not right. Besides which, right here on the headlight, it says 12 volts. So their listing on Amazon is not very confidence inspiring. Yep, same deal. The adjusters go through the holes, and it looks like the bolt holes for the bolts that are already in the headlight bucket should line up with holes in the body. So, like I said, I think this is going to be a win. Like I said, the only thing that I have a question about is this beam pattern in the headlight, if it's for a right-hand drive or a left-hand drive car. So that's the only question I have. It has a halogen bulb inside the headlight, so it looks like it's an H4 type bulb that you can change without changing the whole glass headlight bulb, so it's not a sealed beam. Seems like it might be a pretty good unit, plus the chrome trim ring looks good. Like I said, I think this is a win. For $200, I was checking prices on Welsh Enterprises and Moss Motors on just the headlight buckets, and they were like 60 bucks a piece, I think. So like I said, $200 for 2 of these with bulbs, trim rings, buckets, gasket, everything. I still think it's a pretty good deal. So I would advise other people that need something like this I don't know if everybody needs headlights for their Mark II, but they advertised them for, I think they said E-types, Mark IIs, S-types. Probably would fit. Yeah, so it seems like it's a good thing to me. If you have any questions about anything in the video, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.